Welcome to my 5 picks for inexpensive teaching tools: 8 section organizers, sorting trays, 2-sided pocket charts, whiteboards, and reusable write and wipe pockets. I love using these 8 section organization bins for teaching kids different word patterns. I prepare the bins ahead of time so the lessons progress smoothly. Kids have everything they need. These are examples of 3 word patterns I teach. The example of the first CVCE we are going to look at. This is an example of the first activity. Kids fill in the first row with the magnetic letters that spell each word. C-O-N-E. Now kids use the magnets to push up into each box and they say the sound that each letter or letters make. Huh. O. N. No sound, silent E. Now we can have kids change the beginning letter sound to make a new word. Zone, bone, tone. Now let's look at my second pick, sorting trays. I use sorting trays to have kids practice sorting words that are tricky. As in the example, some words are verbs or nouns and some are both, as in the word wave. I begin with an empty sorting tray. I choose the concept that I want kids to learn. I either have the cards, buy the cards, or print the words on index cards. I place the labels on the back of each sort to direct kids where to place the cards, and then they begin sorting. I printed the words on index cards for the sort nouns, verbs, and both. This is a second group of words I printed out on index cards for the sorting of consonant blends, digraphs, and both. My third pick is this pocket chart. I use this pocket chart a lot for different types of activities, from identifying beginning letters to comparing types of sentence structures. It is a double-sided, self-standing tabletop pocket chart. I can use sentence strips or cards for activities, and it is portable. It folds together and has a pocket to store sentence strips and cards in the center where the chart folds. These are 3 additional examples of how I use the pocket chart: letter identification, grammar, and identifying a word. My next pick, whiteboards, as they are a main essential for my instruction. I have many whiteboards and they come in many sizes. For this video, I focus on smaller boards that are magnetic with the exception of one that is handheld. In addition to syllable types, there is an example of 3 sounds using 3 letters, 4 letters, and 5 letters. Then we have writing words that have the soft C sound, and the handheld whiteboard showing a consonant vowel consonant word. My last pick, reusable write and wipe pockets. I use them a lot with practice papers. This allows practice papers to be used over and over again. Kids get to use felt pens that are erasable. After I check their work, kids can erase the top of the pocket. And these are 2 examples of practice pages placed in pockets. Kids complete them, I check them, and then they erase them. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you.